I was about 8 years old. I went in for just a normal dentist appointment. They did some x-rays and the doctor came out and he was a little confused by what he saw in the x-rays, and he told us, I don't really know what this is, but it's not normal. We're gonna send her to a specialist just to be sure. And so I think I saw about 2 specialists right after that, and they both agreed that there were cysts that were that showed up in that x-ray in my jaw, and it was all throughout. There was quite a few of them. We went and saw another specialist, and then they referred us to Dr. Thiede, and I mean, thank God, because I don't know what my quality of life would have been like if my mom went through and agreed with that first specialist. But he just kind of said it's going to be a long process. She's going to have this, whatever this is, for a while, so we have to just take it one step at a time. And that is what led to me seeing more specialists, geneticists, and going through the whole process of all of my surgeries. Came up to be that it was a genetic mutation in one of my chromosomes, and what Gorlin syndrome is essentially a series of things, the main one being these cysts that just appear, and they either appear most prevalently in the jaw, but it can sometimes appear in the spine. So if anything, I think I'm lucky that mine just appeared in my jaw. I was prone to breaking my jaw or just getting hurt. And so as a kid, they're telling you, you can't play, you can't do this, you can't do that. And it really takes a toll on you. And it became a thing where I was just scared all the time about everything and anything. And any type of doctor visit, I would just freak out. I would hear that I'd have an appointment and I'd start getting nervous. And he talked to me as if I was a real person, not a little kid who's just in her own little world about what's going on. And I really appreciated that, just because it was real and it was happening. And I was already dealing with so many people giving me their little sob or pity stories that I appreciated someone being like, you know what? You know what's going on? Here we go. It's round 2. I'm here for you. We're going to get through it. And that's what we've been doing ever since. So regardless of where I am or where he is, for that matter, if he ever moves, I'm following. Without a doubt, Dr. Thiede and his nurses and everyone who's helped me is the reason that I'm still here. I told him he better never retire, because I don't know what I'm gonna do when he does. I could be across the country or in a different country for that matter, and I would still come back. I tell him, and I don't think that I tell him enough, and I don't think he maybe knows, but I owe him my life, I really do. I don't know that my quality of life would be the same. I don't know where I would be, and I get scared thinking about where I'm going to be when, when he doesn't do this anymore, because he's been with me through this whole thing, and I want him to continue to be with me through this whole thing, because what I've gone through isn't easy, but I want other people to know that it's not gonna be easy, but he'll make it easier, and they're all gonna be here for you. This whole office is gonna be here for you, and I thank God every day, every time that I've had to go into a surgery. I thank him when it's all said and done, because he's a big part of why I'm able to live my life normally, or as normal as I can today. And so I do thank him a lot for that.